Hello, hi everybody. So I promised that I was going to show how to make this scarf into a top, which I've already done, but I thought I'd take you through the steps. So you want a scarf, peekaboo, about this size. You want to fold that scarf vertically in half like this, and then you're going to fold it over itself like this, and you're going to make sure that those ends, I just realized my light wasn't on, but you're going to make sure those ends are together and that the bottoms are together. So once we've done that, we want to get a top and we want to measure our collar size. So you can take any top as long as you know that you like the width of that collar. Measure the collar on a flat surface. So from one end to the other, this is 8 inches. This is my open end, this is my closed end. And what I mean by that is this is the end with the fold and this is the end that opens. So on the folded edge, because it's folded and I measured 8 inches, I just need to measure 4 inches down, mark that, and make a small cut. I use these scissors to make small cuts like this, but if you don't have them, you can just use the tip of your scissors and you're going to make a tiny little snip where that 4 inches is. Once you've made that slip in each side, there will be a little hole in each side, and you know that you just need to cut along that piece of material from one hole to the other. Once you've done that, you have a hole in the material, and that's where your head's going to go. And now I'm going to show you how simple the other stages are. So I've put these trousers on, and here you have a really lovely shape with this scarf. So now it's really up to you to play. How far away do you want the opening from your actual body? If you wanted it tight, you would pin it closer to your body, and if you want it loose, which I prefer it loose, you would pin it a bit further away from your body. So you're going to do a pin that goes here, and then the second pin will go in here at the end. I'm very do it on the fly. I just pin it where I feel like pinning it and off I go. But if you wanted to be more accurate, again, you can take a t-shirt where you like where the bottom is on your waist, lay this scarf flat on the floor, lay the t-shirt over, and then you will have a marker of where you want to put the pins into the waist of the scarf. These are the pins that I use. They come in all different shapes, and some of them have metal backs, but I actually buy these rubber backs because I like them more, and I will link them on my LTK page. I'm going to put one pin here, these two parts together at the bottom, and I'm going to put one pin close to the end. Then we're just going to do the other side. One pin here and one pin at the end, and it's literally as simple as that, and you've got a top. And it's great for holiday, and it also just looks so chic, and I adore it. I also love the versatility of it because you can still wear this as a scarf if you wanted to. You just take the pins out and just wrap it around your neck and it's still a scarf. But if you do really love it and you want to keep it as a top, if you're good on a machine or with hand stitching, you can literally stitch along the bottom, and if you wanted to, stitch a little bit up the top so you have a sleeve, and again down the bottom on the other side and up, just to probably underneath the bra strap so that you can get your hands through easy. It still has the movement in it, and you can hem the collar line if you wanted to. And there's so many different ways you can do it. You could cut a little V here if you wanted a V-neck. You could make it more boat so that it comes off the shoulder, however you want. If you're really up for a challenge, you could actually put in a little collar. You can also swivel it around to the front, and you can make a kaftani type top with it. Again, if you wanted to, you could pin the sides so that you just have a little bit more of a sleeve look. The other thing you can do is you can take these two parts and pin those. If you pin that at the back, and then you have this kind of cape effect as well, which is really sweet. And the greatest thing about it is that it's all non-permanent. You can still have it as a scarf, you can have it as a long top, you can have it as a short top. It just means that your wardrobe is super versatile. If you wanted to, you could take it further and belt it. Add even more of the element of fun and creativity to your outfit, like that. All about having fun. Also such an easy way to have one item if you're packing to go on holiday and serve as quite a few little outfits. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I'd love to see if you make one. Do send me over your photos. Thanks for watching, and follow for more content. Bye.